because he decided to flee.
Did you run, run, run? Did you run, run? Yeah, his name is Hale. Yeah, his name is Mark. Yeah, his name is Lee. Did you run, run, run? Did you run, run? Did you run, run, run? Did you run, run? Did you run, run, run? Did you run, run?
And you are?
All right.
Well now.
You were really good.
We need a chair.
So, our next game is called Stand, Sit, Kneel, Lean. I've got the leaning part down. But we're going to have 4 players out here on stage. And the idea behind this game is they're going to do a scene. And at any one time during the scene, somebody's going to be standing, somebody's going to be sitting, somebody is going to be kneeling, and somebody will be leaning. Now, as they go ahead and do the scene, obviously they're going to be saying things and things are going to change. And if somebody, let's say, gets up from sitting, somebody else is going to need to sit down. And if somebody is kneeling, somebody else gets up and says, okay, what do I need to do? So they'll be doing the scene, and they'll need to make all this make sense as they're moving around and doing the scene. Now, to get them started, I'd like a workplace where you're in kind of close proximity to your coworkers most of the time.
Daycare.
Google back here.
Elevator.
Accounting firm.
Wow, if an elevator is your workplace.
Okay, you're up and down.
Sure.
Yeah, you know what? I don't know why they'd be in a sewer, but let's put them there and see what happens. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, stand, sit, kneel, lean.
I don't know why nobody ever cleans out the top of these things.
Andy, there might be snakes down here.
I think that's a rat. A dead one.
I'll get it. Ah!
Oh, I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll get it. I got it. I love
Why
it.
are you just sitting there?
Oh, guys.
You got it. We don't have to do anything.
No, this is not a rat.
No? What is it?
This is the alligator that's been haunting New York for
Oh,
20
no.
years.
The alligator? I thought it was just a big rat. I know about this one's in New York. My grandpa told me about the alligator. That's how long he's been down here.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's heavy. I good thing he's sleeping.
That's just the tail. Ooh, look, he's got a gold tooth.
Can we name him Bob?
Oh,
No.
he's asleep or
Have you
dead?
ever heard his name?
Lean in a little farther, would you please? I don't think we can see what's going on.
Okay. He's alive, you guys.
All right, well, that's just not going to work.
That's what's been plugging up the sewers of New York for how many years now?
20.
At least since my grandfather was around.
Don't look at me that way.
What are we going to do? What are we going to do?
You guys, I say we sell him into a leather person for purses.
Ooh, with the boots.
Can't we adopt him?
Who would want to adopt that? I like the idea of making money on this.
Charlie, kneel down and smell him. Just smell him.
Wait, he's already kneeling. Wait, let me sit and think
No,
about this.
Charlie wants him as a pet. He needs to smell him because this is a dead alligator.
Yeah.
Oh, Dad?
Oh my God, it's dead?
Yeah.
I don't like dead things.
I thought it was alive the whole time.
He'd be a really peaceful pet.
I think the boot thing. Why are you both kneeling? Would somebody do something about this?
All right, I'm taking him out of here.
Oh, you guys, what's happening over there? What's happening over there?
I don't know. Let me sit down and look.
This alligator has a mate.
And 5 o'clock. Time to go home. Wow, we are up to probably one of the most exciting parts of our show, and you gonna love it. We are going to play Instruction Manual. Instruction Manual is a fabulous game to play, if we get the right suggestions. I told you from the beginning, this show is all based on the suggestions we get from you. Lousy suggestions, lousy show, what do we care? So, the instruction manual, we need an item that would not need an instruction manual. For example, lipstick, that obviously doesn't need an instruction manual. So what would be an object that does not need an instruction manual?
Deodorant. A diamond ring.
A bra. Comb in. A bra.
Yes, I did.
Bring the bag ready.
It's just an article, all of that.
All right. This is going to be the instruction manual on brassieres, or man's ears, whatever. For those of you who are sensitive. Now what happens is I am going to point to the different players, and as I put my hand there, one's going to be speaking, I'll point to somebody else, they have to take over. If they stumble, if they repeat, anything like that, they're going to be eliminated until we get down to our final two. Now, as we all know, any good instruction manual has warnings. Is that correct? So we're going to start with warnings. This is warnings for instruction manual of brassieres.
Warning, do not wear your brassiere on the outside of your clothing.
Warning, never wear a brassiere that is too small for you.
Warning, never use a brassiere as a slingshot.
Warning, if your bra is too thin, your nipples will stick out.
You like that
Warning, do not use brassieres for candy dishes.
Warning, men younger than 40 should not wear brassieres.
Warning, don't let the straps of the brassiere go around your neck, you can choke.
Warning, not all brassieres attach in the back.
So those are the warnings. Now we need chapter 1. What do we want to know about brassieres?
History.
Colors. History. History of brassieres.
The first brassiere was made out of snake skin from the Garden of Eden.
This was a very convenient item because there were so many snakes around. What you had to do,
Was let Eve have that bra because, you know, she was naked and
She needed something to cover up her parts.
And sometimes she used apples and carried them.
Chapter 2. What is chapter 2? Colors. Colors. Colors of brassieres.
Brassieres come in red, yellow, green, blue, yellow.
orange, purple, black.
And silver. And that is all the colors that you can find.
Brassiere in this town.
Unless you go to Victoria's Secret,
Where they have multiple colored, like rainbow colored.
things that have polka dots on the
Outside and stripes.
On the inside.
That way, you won't get your polka dots and your...
And your eagle eyes.
Oh.
Pete, the judge is tough tonight. What are we on, chapter 4?
Installation.
Installation.
Installing...
From somebody you've known in 18 or 20 years. Installation of brassieres, chapter 4.
When installing the bra, you make sure that both of your heavy boulders go into the
It's a very short chapter. Proper sizing of brassieres. Okay, perfect. Proper sizing of brassieres.
make sure your brassiere is thick enough so your nipples don't stick out.
Because when it's cold outside, you don't want everybody.
To see that really you have a C.
when you need a B cup.
For your nipples to stick out.
It would really embarrass you when you,
Go to the market and see those.
people looking at you.
Like nipples sticking out.
You're just trying to buy some.
Thing that was installed.
With some melons.
Yeah, good enough. Different size straps, styles of straps. Thank you. Did you have a spaghetti strap on, right? I'm a brassiere connoisseur. Strap styles.
Straps come in various styles defined by pasta, because pasta is what...
They use to measure the sizes when you have large breasts.
You need spaghetti straps.
To hold up the meatballs.
Cheating straps.
Or even the
Removal. Whoa! Nice! Removal! This is chapter 7?
Yeah.
6, who's keeping track?
7.
So what chapter are we on? 6 or I hear 6, I hear somebody.
7.
Chapter 6 and a half.
There you go.
Removal of brassiere.
Proper removal of brassieres takes some dexterity if you haven't a lot of practice doing that.
So ask your wife. She can help with that.
Especially telling you if the clasp is in the front or the back.
But you could also be wearing a sports bra in which there's no clasp.
And that's true.
So,
To pull it over your head, which makes it
Easier, or you can bite it off.
works really well in some occasions.
and most men find that delightful.
Much better than scissors.
But if it's up to you,
To remove it, you can just
ask somebody.
Special.
to help with it because they want
To
help you.
if
You have some more.
We're down to our final 2. What's going to happen is I'm going to point to both players. They will start at the same time. I will then remove my hand from one of them. The other one will continue. We'll go back and forth until we have a winner. This is the final chapter, and that would be future.
Laundry.
Oh, troubleshooting. Proper
Material.
care. Proper care of your brassiere. Players, are you ready?
Ready?
Sure.
Audience, this is what? The final chapter.
Having
Never
worn a
put
bra
your
for many
brassiere
years,
in
I
a
can tell
washing
you that it's
machine
really
because
important
it
to
can
keep
be
them up by washing them in a little baggie that keeps it from getting frayed and mixed up with the other clothes. You put it in a...
Big bag and with some rocks, and then
I must disagree with the rocks part. It doesn't really help when you want to soften the material,
which
feels better on your skin, and it's
not so true.
important to make it lovely while you're wearing it.
And if you want something that's
Soft, use some softener in the washing machine, and then use a bounce sheet in the dryer. Actually, you don't have to put it in the dryer. You can hang it on the line.
and let your neighbors.
Look at what beautiful.
Because your neighbors will be very impressed and
And they'll want to take that bra off of you.
in the swap meet.
But it's a very expensive bra, so it better be.
Something that you have a tug of war with, and that would be fun as well. They're elastic.
And the elastic stretches out very long.
Elastic, that was a repeat. Did we all learn? That's all that we learned. Wow.
Wow, just wow. That's all I have to say is wow. Okay, we are down to, amazingly enough, our last game of the first half. Time is flying by. So, we are going to have a game of schoolyard insults, which requires us to send Diane and Deborah outside. Hopefully they will not strangle each other before we call them again. Because Diane and Deborah are having a little bit of an argument. They aren't very happy with each other right now. And they are a couple of students at a school, and they are going to come out in the schoolyard after school, and they're not actually going to have a fight, but they're going to have an insult out or something. They're going to be yelling at each other and insulting each other and everything. Now, at this particular school, there is a particular insult that is really just the absolute worst thing you can say about someone. And you all are going to help us decide what that is. So first of all, I need an adjective. We're going to test you on your parts of speech here. I need an adjective. I need an adjective that is at least 3 syllables long. What have you got for me?
Quarrelsome.
Hideous? Is that what I heard? Hideous? I like that. We'll start right there. Hideous. Hideous. Okay, so now for the second part, we need a noun. Again, at least 3 syllables long.
Dinosaur.
What was that? Caterpillar. I like caterpillar. We haven't had caterpillar yet. We've had the other two. We'll go with something.
What was it?
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillars, actually plural, caterpillars. Okay? And then the third thing we need is a verb. Again, at least 3 syllables long, and it does not end in ing.
Discombobulated.
Discombobulated. Wow.
Who invited him?
Mollified.
Well, I'm glad I'm not writing up this spell.
Discombobulate. Okay, so.
Discombobulate.
Discombobulate.
That's what she's here.
Discombobulate, yes. So, here's the thing. When Deborah and Diane come back in here, their teammates are going to be giving them clues, you know, like charades sort of thing, so that they can figure out these words, because the most awful insult you can use in this schoolyard is to tell someone, you're so hideous that you make caterpillars discombobulate. The first one of them that can come out with, they'll try to guess those one word at a time first of all, but the first one that can come out with that whole phrase all put together is the winner of this particular schoolyard insult challenge. Okay, so let's bring it back in. They haven't torn each other to pieces yet, so remember, what you're trying to get to is you're so adjective,
You may.
nouns, verb. That's right, there we go. We're going to start with Deborah's team. Ready, go.
Ready. You are so ugly that your earrings don't even want to be on your ears, and you're closing your eyes and you can't hear and you can't see.
Oh, can you believe that?
Oh, they didn't switch. I'm still talking.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't even pay attention. So let's just go. 4 eyes. 4 eyes? Yeah. The number 4, a couple. Oh.
Switch.
Yeah, but you're so blowhard that your cheeks are coming out, and it's hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil, and it's the monkeys. And oh my God, I just spied that person over there, and I'm a spot.
Switch.
I'm a spy? Oh, right. Okay, well, let's just go with the first syllable then, shall we? 4 eyes. Oh, let's just search around because I lost something. Oh, I'm hiding.
Switch.
Oh, but you can't hide from me because you're so surprised to see me that you're on the nose and you cut surprise in half. You're so surreptitious that I can't find you, and you're
Switch.
twins.
Yeah? Well, you're hideous!
Wow, that came out of nowhere, didn't it? Okay, next word, and since Diane got that one, we'll start with Deborah's team again. Go!
Okay, so you don't even show your teeth, and you're petting your dog because you have a pet and you're a cat, and you're catatonic, and you're such a
Switch!
I can't believe you're insulting my animals. You're a flea on my animal. You're like nothing compared to my animal. I'm like posting something. I got a cold and polio.
lousy pole dancer that your mother was squeezing something together and sleeping on a pillow. Oh yes, you're a pill. You are so pilfer and
Oh, okay. Maybe you're a little whiskered creature with like a little mouse or a house or a cute little kitty cat. A cat.
Switch!
And you drink Pilsner too much. And you're drunk all the time and that's licking and sleeping and leaning on a pillow. But the pill.
Switch!
Whoa! That's it.
Well, maybe you're just a pillowcase. Petting a little cat. Kit kat.
Switch!
You are so low. You are so low to the ground. You are low. You are licking.
Capel. Capolan. I don't know, you're Polish.
Time out. You think you got it?
I got it.
Okay, Deborah thinks she's got it. What's the word?
Catapult.
No! Diane gets one chance at it.
Caterpillar!
The third one, we'll start with Deborah's team again. Why not?
Why not?
Ready to go?
Why not?
Why not?
You are so why not that, can you believe it?
Oh.
That you're doing the dance from the 70s?
Whatever.
And I don't remember what it's called, so hustle or something. But you know what, I live there, but I'm throwing a frisbee because I like to throw frisbees.
Switch!
And
Oh my gosh. You just make me want to throw up. You went, like maybe you got a disc. Yeah, maybe.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh,
Switch.
maybe you got
Yeah, but you like to go disco dancing, don't you, with your father? But you're combing your hair, and your dance coach.
Switch!
Can you believe it? I mean, seriously. Oh, well, maybe you're the scare ocean. You're like discovering the ocean and the waves.
Yes, but you are so discovery that when you're dancing and you're disco
Oh.
and you're combing your hair and you're looking at me with a funny look on your face, yes.
Oh, well, maybe you're the scare wave. Oh, time, out! Like go back in time. It's late.
Switch!
Yes, but it's not the 70s yet. And there's a flow, and the water is going, and I'm above water, and I'm floating. So, and I'm drowning. I'm walking on the ground.
Well, maybe you're a discarate. Discarate.
You are so foolish that when you're bobbing up and down in the sea, and you're turning things around, and you're combing your hair, and you're bobalicious, I don't know, you're pointing to Johnson holds up.
Oh, discombobulate.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the first half of our show. We're going to bring the raffles back in here. We're going to take a 15-minute intermission. There's water, there's candy up there if you'd like to get that. If you haven't signed up for our email notices, there's a card to do that. And if you want to buy some raffle tickets, we'll certainly appreciate it. Where's CJ? Hope you enjoy the first half. We'll be back in about 15 minutes.